At number 1, we have the Powermatic PM244 Drum Sander. It's widely considered the best premium drum sander for professional woodworking shops. Its open-ended design allows you to sand material up to 44 inches wide in 2 passes. Powered by a strong motor with variable feed speed control, it delivers an exceptional finish quality. The real advantage is consistency. The conveyor system and precision machine drum minimize sanding marks for a flawless result. It's perfect for tabletops, cabinet panels, and figured hardwoods where planers might cause tear out. Plus, excellent dust collection keeps your belts clean and extends their sanding life. Built with durable construction and an accurate thickness adjustment, the PM2244 is a top choice for serious woodworkers.
At number 2, we have the Jet JWDS 1632 Drum Sander. Top choice for hobbyists and small shops, it balances price, performance, and a compact size. Its open-ended design supports sanding widths up to 32 inches in 2 passes. Variable conveyor speed and an aluminum drum prevent burning for a superior finish. Users love the straightforward setup, reliable tracking, and this convenient storage cabinet. Perfect for flattening cutting boards, cabinet doors, and panels, it's the ideal tool for smaller workshops.
A favorite among luthiers and furniture builders for its unmatched precision and reliability. Its IntelliSand technology automatically adjusts conveyor speed, reducing burning and preventing overload. The open-ended design handles widths up to 38 inches in just 2 passes, perfect for wide panels. With a fast abrasive change system and precise height adjustment, it safely handles even the most delicate veneers. The SuperMax 1938. Power, precision, and peace of mind for serious woodworkers.
At number 5, we have the ShopFox Drum Sander. ShopFox delivers strong performance at an affordable price with powerful motors and variable speeds, perfect for flattening large glued-up panels and prepping stock for final finishing. Features like toolless abrasive changes and efficient dust collection make your workflow smoother. Plus, wheels make it easy to move around in your shop. Not the most refined, but for the price, it's unbeatable value for intermediate woodworkers. A top upgrade pick.
At number 4, we have the Restore Drum Sander WR351K2. Imagine a deck that looks older than dirt. You need a tool that's a hero, not a workout. Meet the Restore. Its 3.5 amp motor is up to 10 times faster than a belt sander, with way less effort. Plus, the dust port keeps your workspace cleaner than your visitor-ready kitchen. At just 10.5 lbs, it's perfect for furniture, automotive projects, even sharpening tools. No tools needed to switch sleeves. Restore Drum Sander, turning tough projects into satisfying victories.